folks, this is Reza here from Monster X RC, and finally the Traxxas Unlimited Desert Racer is out for a bash. Before I begin, let me just bring the camera up and let you have a look once over of this new area. I've not been here before. It's a dedicated this area has been used by RC enthusiasts for a long time. Alright, this is the Woodgrove area. There's more to this place than just this large patch here. There's a crawler area right above the slope in front of me. I will probably bring the vehicle up there to just let you guys see what's happening with that area. So SG crawlers and a few groups have taken really good care of the crawling area, and I'm thankful that the government has not decided to build any condominiums in this area just yet. Alright, so before I press down the throttle on this vehicle, just to let you guys know, out of the box I have changed the servo to the JX 30kg digital servo. I have changed the transmitter to the Radiolink RC4GS, and also the receiver as well. So those few items are not stocked. The ESC, unfortunately, I cannot switch the ESC out because you know, the plugs were not available at the hobby shop. So it's still running on the stock ESC, but I have changed the plugs to the XT150 plugs. Okay, and I just realized I have not plugged the light bar on, but it's really bright here. I don't think I need the light bar. I'll just leave that LiPo on the inside. You can see that. Maybe there's a small 2S LiPo on the inside. Hope you can see that. Alright, so here we go. Let's talk. Let me just adjust that camera angle just down a little bit so you guys can see the vehicle. This is my first go at the Desert Racer. This is on 4S, folks. On 4S, it feels honestly underwhelming. But the change in the servo, I'm sure, is make the big difference on the steering capabilities of this vehicle. From a speed perspective, underwhelming for now. I think I should try 6S next time. But from the feeling of the vehicle, suspensions are nice and plush. I'm gonna probably bring the camera down to your level. Maybe I should go the other way around and put the light behind. Alright, here we go. There's some bumpy areas here, so you guys can see the suspension in action. Let's bring the camera up a little bit. Okay, cool. Oops, too much. Alright. So on 4S, you can play 4S, you can drive 4S in a small patch like this. But I bet if you throttle out in the wide open space, 4S is going to feel real soft. But what's happening is I really enjoy this suspensions, man. Take it out a little bit further. You guys can see what's happening with the car. It's really bright, so again I can't see the screen real well here on the mobile phone, on the gimbal. Traction roll. Alright, so for those that are struggling with the servo, I think this JX servo will do real well. Put myself further back here. Yeah. Whoa. It drives a little better than the Baja Ray, a little bit more predictable. Then go here. the terrain here is quite rough. There's like rocks and some gravel, but mostly the dirt is fine. So I gotta watch the vehicle. I'm running the HRB 6000 milliamp 50C 4S LiPo. So it's just one block inside, running directly on the XT150s. Oh, big rock. There we go. Huge rock. Okay. Let's see whether I can make it go around this tiny mound a little bit. Okay. Alright guys, let's bring that camera a little bit. Okay, let's go. See that. It's tail happy, but not as tail happy as the Baja Ray. So you have good, you still have good control on the linearity of the vehicle. Oops! Wow. Yeah, I think this vehicle is definitely designed to be driven on 6S. It's a heavy vehicle, and I'm just hoping that the ESC can manage. It's hot right now. It's about 37 to 38 degrees on the ground Celsius, and I bet this LiPo is going to run flat fast because of the weight of the car. Okay, from a scale driving perspective, I think it's very good, very good. But don't expect to bash this vehicle hard. I think I'm enjoying this. Big rock. Enjoying the vehicle for its ability to drive and move like a real car. If you want to bash, grab the X-Max and bash, or maybe a Slash. Pretty good, pretty nice. Some rocks here. Oh wow. Let's see what happened there. Oh man. Okay, big bump here. Alright. Let's bring the camera down. Okay, so the moment you hit full throttle, the tail will slide out. So of course this is without the TSM. Although this transmitter and receiver has the gyro, but I switched off the gyro. I don't like driving with gyro because I try not to get any assistance with the driving and the steering. But nice folks, it's a nice, fun, scale car to be driving, man. Hey guys, Reza here, back again, Monster X RC. This is now at the other location at Woodgrove. This is a beautiful area. You know, probably SG crawlers put in a lot of effort in carving out this area here, like a canyon range. You can just follow the camera through the canyon range all the way up to the other side there. Alright, so what I will attempt to do is I will not attempt to crawl, of course. I will attempt to move around the canyon area, the canyon zones, the carved out areas, and probably come up over the flat here and then get back down. Probably maybe we do a loop over the other end and bring it back. So let's try it out. I don't know how it works, but let's go. I won't be able to see the vehicle around the corner, so I hope to navigate that guy a little bit more. There we go. Beautiful. Yeah. All the bugs, all the bumps. Let me just bring it up a bit. Yeah. I'll attempt to bring it around the back there. Whoa. And right there. Oh, that's fun. Nope, not back there. Back here. Sorry guys, no high speed stuff here. It's slow, but it's really awesome to see the vehicle running in this sorts of terrain here. Big rock. Oops, I gotta rescue it. Right. It's rough, the terrain here. It's really rough. It's not smooth. It's not all good. It's like rocks and really hard clay and stuff. Ouch. Not again. Okay, one more run down the canyon. Oh, big rock, boulder. Right there. Back. Up we go. Blasting through. Okay, let's change the direction and come around this way instead. Oh, big rock. So good. Navigate around. My A-arms are already quite beaten up on the front, but that's fine. It's a cheap replacement part, just like on the X-Max. The A-arms are meant to be, bashed and worked hard. Really rough. There we go. Giving the car a good workout here, guys. So it's not an easy area to work with. A lot to navigate through. Boom. So here's a really cool area for you guys to bring your RCs along. Just make sure you prepare your vehicles well enough for this terrain. It's not that easy on the cars because it's loads of bumps. I think probably the X-Max can rule this can rule this terrain a little bit more. I hope you guys can see how well the UDR actually soaks up all the bumps, and this is what it's designed to do. You know, even at a slow pace driving here, the idea is to enjoy driving the vehicle for what it's designed to do. And you know, if you really want to send it hard, grab an X Max. Now this is nice. Got this little tiny corridor to work with here. Whoa, yeah. So let's try this again. I'm gonna try and let it pass through this corridor. Whoa, no. Yeah. One more time. Take it around. Pass through the corridor. Yeah. Ah, oof, ouch. Okay, I'm feeling the battery is quite soft, so I think it's time for me to do a quick battery check, and it's time for me to sign out with the UDR Traxxas Unlimited Desert Racer right here at Woodgrove. This is a beautiful place to bring your RCs, be it your trophy trucks, your monster trucks. So it's a very enjoyable area. Come during the weekdays if you can. It's really quiet and super fun. Thanks guys, Reza here from Monster X RC signing out.